Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my client's hair today, and I'm going to show you guys the style. So first, I'm blow drying his hair. I like to do the tension method, which is just basically pulling at the end of their hair, waiting for the roots to get dry, and then blow drying it out with a paddle brush or the unbrush, as you guys see. Now, I had mixed reviews about this brush, but you know what? This brush actually worked wonders on my client's hair, and his hair is not even detangled. It's just he washed it and came to me. So this brush actually did a lot, and I like to finger detangle um my client's hair also, not just mine, guys. I finger detangle everybody's hair because I don't want no damage, no breakage, okay? And I did put heat protectant all throughout his hair. Sorry guys if I do sound weird. I am getting over a cold. Okay, bear with me.
Just for the record, just for the record. If they like the job at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. But so plain bear more. You go do you one time, not before one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man, no they.
So I just showed you guys how I blow dried one section. It's so soft and smooth, and then I did the rest off camera. So on the top left corner, this is how he wanted his hair to look like. So I tried my best to imitate it. His hair is a little more thicker than Drake's, so his braids did come out a little thicker. I don't know why, guys, when it comes to a middle part, like I just be struggling OD. Like I don't know if it's my setup, like if I don't have a mirror in the front and the back, if that's why. But I have like a little handheld mirror that I have the clients hold sometimes, just so like they can see if it's straight and I can see if it's straight. Cause sometimes I'm like, your eyes are better than mine. Like let me know if you think it's straight. If not, then I'll fix it. So I'm gonna let you guys vibe out to some music. Hope you guys love and enjoyed this video and just watch it. You know, let me know if I did him justice with copying the Drake photo. Comment down below if you want me to record more videos like this, because I honestly don't mind. I actually like doing videos like this. It's peaceful to me, it's calming. So hit your girl up in the comments, let her know what you want her to do. Enjoy the video, guys. Bye.
No get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Answer. What's we do? Lego sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. I say I know see what you do. See when we go get it wild like Sulesu. Got the one you console. Anything you wish me. My mind. Yeah, my mind.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind is runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Starting to give up. I've been fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah, I really need time. man. Go on with it, go on with it. To us, so we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot. But we not rise on boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all coming like fun. But thank God for the journey that us to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall from my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off the big road. One time, sit down in a class and we put that only see the road and we go on with the road. Third form is a very tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits and you sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring like hello, brother. Say, I just shot ya. Saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. You're falling on it, man. Me have to thank God for the journey that just to the plus. But gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right hand. But I toast to the friends that take off the road. One time, sit down in a class and we pour that only sit the road and we go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings upon me. And send me to tell them the story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's why I'm gonna give him the job. Read from me delighted. You know some of us are ignited. Got the music get me excited. Coming like a potion. Blessings all coming like fun. But thank God for the journey that us to the clock.
Okay, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking. All my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me know me. Music chose me, just know this and know this. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo, you go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that devil. Like the Baba fly, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need to go and shadow. 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 I did what I got when them kills over my. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like the
burner. Now so much you remain with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timberlake at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timberlake at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. The young past, last. Now everybody go chop breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 I need to go and shadow.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I know I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it for me. Tell me that the yes. I try to keep you, and I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I tried to live, but I can't. I don't know why I've got the wall. Drop me out of my mind. Only you feel best of mine. I mean, if you get free of the mind, say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by. Yeah, if you leave I go. Loving your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, baby, day. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body, baby. Have me be certain. No one is again. No one is the same way. Back to the morning, my one was up from your loving. I just wanna get you deserve.